They need to be scalable, there needs to be support and maintenance packages available that are simple to engage with the customer. I think the main thing though is ease of use of the tool. Reporting seems to be a very important aspect for a lot of clients, so being able to give clients that end-to-end visibility across their testing practice, so that they can have a rolled up holistic view, but very quickly and easily dive down into particular issues or projects, and being able to break up projects and slice and dice the data in a number of different ways to pull back different results on different metrics. I think all of those, a combination of all of those things are very important when choosing any tool, but particularly for Cigniti when we're looking at tool partners, and Zephyr fits very well into that mould. I would say the number one inquiry that we get at Cigniti, for example, is around test automation. Right. And working with tool partners that can integrate with the various software testing tools out there in the market quickly and seamlessly, and then pull that data back and roll it up into a visible dashboard that anybody in the organisation can log in and use. Those are the kinds of the core things that we're seeing at the moment. There's more desire from customers to look at complete end-to-end automated tool chains, not just for dev and test, but for build, deployment, business process, etc. They want an automated chain that goes right across the end-to-end process. So it's trying to carve out where quality fits into that. One of the things that a lot of customers are asking for is dashboards and visibility across their end-to-end testing cycle. And that, when it comes into DevOps, is even more important, because you're delivering and deploying software at a much faster rate. So that visibility of where you actually are in terms of quality is very important to them. So tools that can integrate not just with and not just provide a visibility of what's going on, but if they can integrate with other tools within that automated tool chain, then they have a significant advantage, I think. They're at the cutting edge of innovation, which is something that we're very keen on as well. So I think our strategies in terms of where we want to go and having to, you can't sit back and you have to constantly reinvent yourself. You can't sit back and put out a product and say, right, that's it for the next 5 years. You've got to have a look. Every 6 months something new has got to come along. There's going to be new features, new functions. Technology doesn't sit still ever. 6 months from now the landscape may change completely again, and unless you're addressing that change and being innovative in that process, then you won't be the leader in your field. And I think Zephyr are absolutely on the right track with that. From our perspective, the way that the way that I personally look at it is that customers don't necessarily want to buy a tool. What they want is good quality software. So if you can make that process from selecting a tool, getting it implemented and getting the customer trained and up and running with it as smooth and as seamless as possible, then that's a winner for the customer. And the quicker and faster and the easier that you can make that happen, the better the end result will be and the better success you will get on the engagement. So from that perspective, I think Zephyr has got it right.